Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show you how to get Sainsbury's Nectar Card. So friends, open this website sainsburys.com.uk and then go to Nectar. From here friends, you have two options here. Click join Nectar here and then you see this window or this page. From here, complete this registration process. If you have card, guys, don't the paste, click yes. If you want to join, click for example yes I have, and click continue. Then write your Nectar card, and then if you card details, if you don't have, just click no and click continue and write email address, and then click I don't want to receive marketing and click continue. Just wait and then open your Gmail. After that, when you open your Gmail, so guys, just wait and then click here. After that, I confirm this Gmail steps and click if you want to business or normal. Click this one and write your select your Mr. or titles and first name and last name, and choose your birthday, and then complete your name and last name and click continue and write your all information about postal number, guys, and properties number here, and click find my address. After complete your address number, so guys, enter your real postcode, and then you will receive, guys, your card details, all such details. This is how you can do, guys, to apply for Nectar cards. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.